Hi my beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here in Kashipur, Uttarakhand. I'm attending a friend's wedding here. I'm getting ready for his engagement. For that I'm wearing this green suit and I have straightened my hair. For makeup I have created this. If you want to know how I created this, so please keep watching the full video.
Hi.
Hi. For prepping my skin, I'm using Moisturizer Plus Primer from Bobbi Brown. क्या चीज?
जो आपके हाथ में?
नहीं, I have only one. You're already very pretty, Mahi. You don't need to do makeup. Auntie is doing makeup because I have to go to wedding, right?
Right. And मुझे lipstick also अच्छा. Lipstick और मम्मी लगाती है मुझे भी. है ना?
So if you want to use lipstick,
now जब आप लगाओगे तब लगा लूँगा.
पक्का?
पक्का.
So you are wearing pink color, right?
Yeah.
So I'll give you pink color, okay?
Okay. This is solo pink color. I'm solo pink color also now. Yes. You do see अच्छा pink color.
The
I'm
only
into your
married people.
favorites. Wait, what a favorite?
This is your favorite.
Yeah.
This is red. That is red lipstick.
Let me stick my favorite.
Your favorite. Very good. Mine is also favorite. So now for preparing my eyes, I'm gonna use concealer, which is from Bobbi Brown.
मेरी भी लगा दो.
Okay, so for mixing this, I'm using my fingers only. For my eyeshadow, I'm using a fluffy brush. And I'm going to create my crease.
Crease? You choose the blue.
For creating the crease, I'm using the brown shade, golden brown shade.
Who's a little blue?
I'm taking brown.
I'm blue. I'm so blue. Take it. Yeah.
For creating smoky eye, I'm using an angled brush. So I'm using Eye Studio Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner. For my foundation, I have used Bobbi Brown in shade Warm Natural. Now for the concealer, again I am using Bobbi Brown in shade Warm Honey. For the mascara, I am using Zoom and Whoosh mascara from Colorbar.
Well done.
For the contouring, again I am using brown shade. For the blush, I am using Flushed Satin shade from Colorbar. Now for the brush, I am using Master Chrome in shade Molten Gold. So for setting everything on place, I am using pressed powder from Colorbar in shade Nude Beige. For my eyes, I'm gonna use a nude eye pencil to my lower lash line. now I'm using the same highlighter to highlight my brow bones. For lip liner, I'm using Color Essence. If you like this, give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.